Today we're gonna make
ketchup.
Today we're gonna make Mexican baked corn.
Ketchup.
No. Say hello, dudes.
Hello, dudes.
Cooking.
What?
Zaina.
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 I'm gonna hit you.
No, don't do that. That's not nice.
I'm gonna punch you.
No, don't do that. That's not nice.
I'm gonna kick you.
Okay, that's fine. Ah. Whoa. 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 Spin for everybody to see your beautiful hair. Whoa. Let them see that beautiful hair, baby. Say first step.
First step,
Set the oven to 350 degrees.
put your egg in the 50 minutes.
And then you're gonna put the corn in for 45 minutes.
Yeah.
Right on.
Right on.
Right on, dude.
Right on, dude.
First we put 1/4 mayonnaise.
Yeah.
That's what they used to call daddy in high school.
Come on, dude.
Come on, dude. Maybe we use this spoon. Oh yeah. Okay, then we need 1/2 cup sour cream.
Yeah.
Ooh, that's what they used to call daddy in high school.
No, just mayonnaise in high school. Wow. So yummy.
So yummy. Scrape. Scrape. Ew. 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 Whoa.
No.
You like feta cheese better or goat cheese?
Butter cheese better.
Because you're eating it right now?
Yeah.
Oh, we're mixing our bowl of yummy food. Hey. Sounds like the corn's wearing a jacket. Oh, it's too hot. We gotta take it off. Take off the jacket. Say, don't worry, corn.
Don't worry, friend.
Don't worry, friend.
We take your jacket off.
We're gonna get you out of there. Don't worry, friend. Whoa, good job.
Don't worry, friend. We get you out in your jacket, friend.
You do anything for your friends?
Yeah.
You help them?
Yeah.
And you save them?
Yeah.
And you be so sweet to them?
Yeah.
Would you kill me to eat food?
Yeah.
Have you seen the movie Children of the Corn?
Yeah.
Do you feel like you relate to that movie?
Yeah.
Squeeze! Whoa, so beautiful. High five.
So yucky.
Okay.
So yummy.
Yeah.
Yucky.
Okay.
Yummy.
Yeah.
Yucky.
Huh?
Hit me.
Yeah. Say thanks for watching, dudes.
Thanks for watching, dude.
Comment,
Comment.
subscribe, and
Subscribe.
you can buy the Cooking with Zaina aprons on the website below. Peace and love, dudes.
Peace and loves, dudes.
Peace and loves.
Peace and loves.
Peace and love.
Zaina.
Good job, Mama. You look like the Joker.
Yeah.
Say, I'm gonna get you, Batman.
I'm gonna get you, Batman.
Thanks for watching our video, dudes.
Thanks for watching the video, dude.
If you're looking for some cool kitchen tools, you can hit up Alex Espiritu on his Pampered Chef website below.
A parent chef's
And make sure you hit him up to find out how you can get free or discounted prices by hosting an online party with him. Found it?
Found it?
Or you can even find out how to get cash money by joining his Pampered Chef team of consultants. And make sure to follow him on his social media below. Thanks, dudes.
Thanks, dude.